Hey YouTube, before we get started, don't forget to like the video, but today we're making donut holes. For your dry ingredients, you're gonna want 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and not 1 teaspoon, but 4.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. For your wet ingredients, you're gonna need 1/4 cups of melted butter, 1.5 cups of milk, and 1 egg. Then in a deep cooking pan, you're gonna wanna go ahead and go about 2 inches deep with oil and bring it up to 350 degrees. As your oil's heating up, you can go ahead and mix in your wet and dry ingredients. Once I finished mixing up the wet and dry ingredients, it was supposed to be a dough, and I tried using it or frying it like this. And obviously that was a bad idea because once I tried to fry it in the oil, it literally came out looking like some Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Oh!
Like, you can't tell me you wouldn't dip that in some Chick-fil-A sauce. Moving on, to solve our Chick-fil-A nugget problem, I just went ahead and rolled the dough out into a flat piece and then sliced them into strips and then cut those strips into bite-sized pieces. And when you cook them in the oil, you want to cook them for about 2 minutes until it's golden, just like this. And honestly, you can eat it like this, but I went ahead and glazed mine. And to make this glaze, you pretty much just get 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 3 teaspoons of milk, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is our final product. They were so good. Don't forget to like the video. I'll put the ingredients inside the description for you.